So what you can also do is you can go around and utilize Canva inside of ChatGPT. That is, you can generate out templates for Canva using ChatGPT. So to do that, you need to go around onto Explore GPT right here, and then over here you can see that Canva is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, I can go around and click on Start Chat, and then Canva actually works around right here. So you can see that you can give prompts like this, like I need a poster and so forth. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say make a Facebook post on an upcoming event for coming Saturday about a book expo right here, where there will be creative books all over the place in Expo Garden Grand Hall right here, just like this. So now I gave this prompt right here. So it says make a Facebook post right here. So now it says, hello, excited to bring your visions to life. Start your creative journey with Canva. And what will be designed today? Let's create Facebook post for upcoming book expo event. What message would you like your design to convey? So I'm just going to go around and say, come and explore and read as much as you like. So let's say this is going to be the message right here. So then it starts the action, and it asks whether Canva can talk to ChatGPT right here. So you need to go around and allow it right here. So now what happens is that it communicates with Canva and then starts designing the content according to what we have right here. So there's two options, as you can see right here. So the technology keeps on improving, and you can see that there are two designs that it gave me right here. The option one is Book Expo, discover new books at Expo Garden and dive into the world of stories and imaginations. So now you can click on these and then go ahead and edit them, and they will open up in Canva. So if I were to go around and click on this, let's say for example, then it opens up in Canva over here on the other page, as you can see, just like this, and you can go ahead and edit it out according to how you want. And that is how you can go around and then utilize Canva plugin inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.